In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a text-to-speech voiceover in InVideo. First, start by logging into InVideo. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection and signed into the correct account so your projects and assets are available. Once you're in, head to your dashboard and look for the project you want to work on. Select your project so it opens in the editor with the preview window visible. At the bottom of the preview area, you'll see a toolbar. Click on the option labeled VoiceOver. This opens up the VoiceOver tools so you can add narration directly inside your project. From the VoiceOver options, choose Text-to-Speech. This tells InVideo that you'd like the system to convert written text into spoken audio, which is perfect when you don't want to record your own voice or need quick, clean narration. Now enter your VoiceOver text. Type or paste the exact script you want spoken. Keep sentences concise, add commas where you want short pauses, and use periods to mark clear stops. If your text includes acronyms or numbers, consider writing them the way you want them read, like 2025 instead of 2025. 25 to guide pronunciation. You can also break long paragraphs into smaller chunks to keep the reading flow natural. Next, select the type, realistic or legacy. Realistic is designed to sound more natural and conversational, with improved pacing and intonation, making it ideal for most projects. Legacy is the classic option and can be useful if you're aiming for a simpler tone or need consistency with older assets. Choose the one that best fits your video's style. Choose the language for your voiceover. Match this to your script language to avoid pronunciation issues. If your audience is global, picking the correct language here helps ensure clarity and accessibility. Then select the voice. Browse the available options and consider the mood of your video: professional, friendly, energetic, or calm. You can also think about gender, age tone, and accent to align with your brand or message. If you're unsure, pick a neutral, clear voice that works across different topics. When everything looks good, click on Generate VoiceOver. InVideo will process your text and produce the audio. Give it a moment to complete. Once generated, your voiceover will be ready within your project so you can continue refining your video with confidence. That's it, you've created a text-to-speech voiceover in InVideo quickly and clearly.